Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use second space on POCO F6. Second space is a feature that will allow you to add a second user account on your phone that will not share data with the first one, but will share the same device. First, go to Settings and then go to Additional Settings. Now find second space and press on Turn on second space. Now the second space is being created. Press on Continue, and now you can set the second space. You can switch between spaces by using a password or using a shortcut. I choose using a password. That will mean that I have two different passwords on my device, and one will unlock the first space and the second one will unlock the second space. Let's press on Continue, Set Now, and now confirm my first space password. My password is 1234, so let's enter it and press on Next. And now let's set the same type of password. I have set 4 signs PIN, 4 symbols PIN in my first space, so I need to also enter 4 symbols PIN, but a different set of symbols. For example, 1122, continue, 1122, okay, confirm your password. You can also set a different fingerprint to switch faster. I will do it for my left hand. Let's confirm first space password. And now let's add a fingerprint for your second space. Okay, let's confirm my second space password. Got it. And now let's add my second hand for my second space. Okay, now it's been added, press on Done, and how you can see, my fingerprint 1, which is my right thumb, will unlock my first space, and my fingerprint number 2, which is my left thumb, will unlock second space. Now I'm logged into second space. I'll show you how to switch between spaces. Now I'm in second space, so I can unlock it. Or I can use my right finger to switch between spaces to get to my first space, and I can also go back to my second space again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.